Hi guys, it's me again, Christoph Andrew. If you are watching right now, please don't forget to like and share this video and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. For today's vlog, we're going to unbox the newest release of Pop Mart, which is the Molly Hello Moon series. Unfortunately, we're not able to get the big figures like the 1000 and the 400% of Space Molly Hello Moon, but we are able to get this 1/8 action figure, and I included some of the Space Molly, which are the version 2 and version 3, and some of the I believe these are the statue or the anniversary series of Molly. So they had a recent exhibition a couple of days or a month ago with Molly Hello Moon. They have this exhibition which creates an immersive experience around space travel and discovery with Molly as a cosmic queen. So, what are we waiting for? I'm so excited to unveil this one and share it with you. So let me start with these small boxes, and we have the version 2, the version 3, and we have two for the Statue Classical Retro series. So let me begin with the version 2. From this lineup, they have 8 confirmed figures. If you watch my previous vlog, I already had the Banana 2017, the Mint Chocolate, I have the Pink Panther as well. So I'm hoping to get I really want to get the John Michael, or any of this secret. So let's see guys. I really love the box of Space Molly. Very nice. I like the vibe of it's like in the outer space. So let me open this one at the bottom part. Oops. Carefully. Okay. Oops. Okay. So I don't want to see any spoiler. Okay. So let me show you the foil of the version 2. This is Space Molly version 2 foil. It's black and looks premium. So I hope I'll get my prio or the secret. So let me show this one to you. Our first figure for today. One, two, three. Oh, I got my prio. Yes, this is Mike. I'm not sure. Let me show you the art card. There's the inclusion here. So this is the art card. So this is John Michael Basquiat. I really love the art card. Very nice. So this is John Michael Basquiat. I'm not sure if I pronounce it correctly, but I like this one. It's like a canvas, and there's a lot of painting going on here. Let me remove all the plastic at the oxygen tube. Okay. So, yeah, this is the back part. I like the silver A and B gas, and there's a doodle on the helmet of a Space Molly here, Evil Thoughts, Revenge. And I like the color combination of this one, the yellow, the black, and the red. It pops up the colors. And also the body has like, as I've said, it's like a painting canvas on her body. And this is the crown on the patch of the astronaut suit, which is the initial of Kenny. And I like the face of Molly here. Uh, I believe this is my first time to see a ocean blue eyes of Molly. Very nice. I like this one. And there's a design on the cover of the helmet which is translucent, and it shows here King Pleasure. Very nice. Let me put the camcorder so that we can appreciate it more. Oops. I like it very much. Very nice figure. I like the color gradient. It pops up the color, it contrasts the black. I like the blue eyes of Molly here, the red boots, the yellow gloves. Very nice. One of my favorites. What are your thoughts about this one? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our next box, which is the version 3 or the series 3 of Space Molly 100%. And I'm not sure if I open one of the figure here. I guess. Hmm. This is the lineup, and yeah, I opened the Tenderheart Burr before, and I guess that's it. That's what I had before. That's why I decided to get one again from this collection because I really want to get the Graffiti, the Garfield, or the Gary Baseman, either of these three, or the Tetris. So let's see, guys. Let me open this one. I really want to get the version 1, but it's really hard to find. And I believe it will be more expensive this time because it's rare figures now. So I hope I'll be able to secure even just few pieces. Oh, sorry, I moved the camera. Even just a few pieces of version 1 of this collection. So let me unveil to you our figure for version 3. Let me remove some dust here. Okay, so this is the foil of the version 3. It is much colorful and it has a gradient color of pink, yellow, and green. Unlike the version 2, it's all black and white. So let's see, guys, which one we are going to unveil for version 3. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got the pink one. Oh, there's a lot of pom-poms inside. It's like a shaker. Yeah, it's so pink. Who's this? Mm-hmm. Not my prio, but this one definitely will be loved by um, female collectors. It's so pink. So this is heartfelt words. And let me show you the back part. Very nice. I like the baby pink here. And the pink color of this one, it's like a bubble pink, bubblegum pink. Let me show you the camcorder and put this one here. Even the camcorder has this pink, rose pink color on the tip. And let me put this one so that we can check it more. And let me show you the eyes of Molly here. It's so pink. There's a lot of pink going on here. Even the gas, the A and B gas is pink. Very nice. You can tilt the head like this. The gradient color of pink and white. Even on the boots of Molly here. Yeah, it's a white and pink combination. And there's a rose gold pink as a accent on the gloves or on the arm suit. And the linings of rose gold. Let me show you. Here, the lining of rose gold here, the lining on the gas tank, and on the top of the helmet, there's a rose gold accent. Yeah, this is nice. Definitely an added collection for my Space Molly. But what is your thought about this one? By the way, I like this one. Let's remove the plastic first. I forgot to remove it for you. Okay. What contrasting about the hose of the tank is it's a metallic pink. Yeah, as I've said, there's a lot of pink going on here. And what is your thought about this one? Please comment down below. Let's now proceed with our next boxes, which are the anniversary statues, classical retro series. Let me open the first one. They have the same weight, by the way. And from my previous vlog, I already have the Molly and the Unicorn, which is the Golden Childhood version. Hmm, I believe I have the With You for 12 years already. The Twinkle Twinkle Little Moon, I have this. The Dino Molly. That's it. And I just hope I won't get any secret from this collection because I'm getting one by one. So I should get the set already, right? But I really want to get the With You original version. Also, I want to get the Twinkle Twinkle, Little Earth, and of course, any of the wooden version and a secret. So let's see. Let me open this one at the bottom part. I just hope it's not a duplicate. Okay. Oh, there's a oops. There's a like a spoiler, but I'm not sure who's the figure. Okay, so this is the foil of the classical retro. I like the packaging. There's the branding of Molly with the Royal Molly. So let's see, guys. So one, two, three. Oh yeah, I got my Prio, the one that I like. Yes, this is nice one. Okay, so this is the art card. Okay, the art card of this classical retro is very premium looking. It's a silver and white combination. So this is the am I right? Molly 12th anniversary statue 2018. Molly with you for 12 years, the original version. So let me show you the inclusion, which is the stand. I really like the stand. Let me show you the stand first. I like the stand. It's like a dice or a wooden palette with all of these design of the 12 years, the crown with the K. Yeah, I like this one. I like the golden accent of this. I actually like, how should I put this one? It's like this. Okay. Or maybe like this, I guess. Oh, why it's not? Or maybe like this. Ah, so hard. That's it. Okay. As I've said, I really like the color combination of this one. It really looks very premium and expensive. The combination of black and red and the golden color. It looks like it's a hand painted figures. I like the Inu. I believe this Inu Shiba dog, a black one. Correct me if I'm wrong. And I like the golden cape of Molly here. I like the red beret. She's very French. And I like the hat party that the dog is wearing. Very nice. I really like this one. Very retro vibe and very cool figure. I can add this one on my collection. And what is your thought about this? You can comment down below. Let's proceed with our last box for blind boxes. And I'm so excited to open our 1/8 figure, action figure. So we had the special version from this. So I'm so excited to get a secret from here, or I really want to get the Twinkle Twinkle Little Earth because I want to match this one with my little moon. And it will be a matching with our Hello Moon, Molly. So let's see. I hope I'll get my Brio or a secret. It's been a long time that I'm not getting a secret from this vlog. So it will be fun if I'm going to or able to get a secret this time. So let's see. Okay. No spoiler. But this one is a very small figure. So definitely this is not the Twinkle Twinkle Little Earth. Right? So let's see. Very small one. One, two, three. Oh, the cat one. Look, guys. Molly is like a statue cat here. It's a white, blue with a patch of blue and brown. And the eyes of Molly here is navy blue as well. I know, maybe baby blue or sky blue. And there's a design of a heart here. I'm not, I can't read if this is love you 200. I'm not sure. Can you see the design of the, like a tattoo on his arm, on her arm? Very nice. Very simple cat. Let me show you the inclusion and the art card. Oh, wait. I'm not sure, guys, but love you 20. No, this is miss you. Miss you 2020. But I noticed, guys, the art card is so different. Oh no. Is this a secret? Maybe not. But the art card of what I get is different. So they have a special card from this. Look, look guys, the one that I open is like this from this figure. But from this figure, guys, it's so different. Yeah, maybe this is a special card. Wow! I didn't get a secret, but this is a special card. Look, guys, very nice. And it's there's a reflector and a reflection of the cat. Very nice one. I don't know why. What is this? Actually, this is my first time to get a card like this, and I'm not sure. I'm afraid to remove this one. But oh, it's a scratch one. Oh, look, guys, you can scratch this one. And wait, this is my first time to get this. And there's a code, and I don't know. I'm going to figure out what is the meaning of the code here, and I'm going to check this one because there's a like what you call this one? There is like a QR code here, and maybe you have to enter this code here. And the card is very hard, unlike this one. Maybe this is a special card. Wow! Wow, wow, wow! So this is the stand. Okay, the stand is like a piece of cheese. I'm not sure if Molly here is a cat or a mouse because this is a piece of cheese. So she is sitting like this with the uh, a chunk of cheese here. Very nice. I like these. And I like the art card. So guys, if someone is watching now and you know the meaning of this card, so maybe this is a special card, please comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with the newest release of Molly, which is the Hello Moon Molly. So it's still sealed, and let me show you the side part of the card. It shows you like some artwork here. I really love the artwork. It seems like there's a story going on here, and there's a lot of button or like a control button, and Molly is outside the universe, and she is exploring the moon or the galaxy. And this is the other part. You can see that she's flying because of the gravity, and she's trying on this part. She's like dreaming to explore the moon, and then she made like a, you know, um she made like a story, or she fixed herself so that she will fly over the moon, and she's here. So let's see, guys. That's my story. I don't know your story. You can make your own story, by the way. So this one is sealed. Let me remove the shrink plastic film first so that we can open this one. I really love the packaging of this. I like the contrast of black and red and yellow, and the colorful artwork of Molly here. So this is it. I'm so excited. I believe this is my first time to open an 1/8 action figure. So let's see, guys. There's quite some dent over the box, but it's fine with me because this will be my collection. Let me remove the sticker on the top cover carefully because I still want to keep this one in a mint condition. On the top of this, let me show you. This is the art card of Hello Moon. Let me set aside this one first. I really love the art card. Very nice. I like the illustration. Okay, it's like a certificate. Yeah, this is a certificate of authenticity. And this is Hello Moon, 1/8 figure, date of issue. Yeah, they didn't put the date of issue here. But this is all rights reserved by Pop Mart. And this is Molly. I like it. What can you say about the art card, guys? Let me put this one here first. And free Molly now from the blister pack. Okay. Wow, this is so cool. And look, guys, let me set aside this one again because I found something inside of the box. There's a design that is covering. I'm not sure if this is I'm able to remove this one, but yes, I can remove the artwork inside of the box. Look, guys. So this is the inside box or art, an illustration or artwork inside of the box. It's like a control room. There's a lot of artwork going on. You can see, guys, the spaceship, the moon. I'm not sure what is this. The control button. I believe this is Saturn, crescent moon, the moon, I guess again, and looks like a dinosaur. So let me put this one here so that you can see it carefully or in a nice visual. So are you okay with this? And let me remove this one now. And this is my beautiful Hello Moon Molly. Look, guys. So here, she's inside of this blister pack. So it is a like an 1/8 action figure. There's an excess hands here. Let me remove now this. Sorry, maybe this one will take some time for you, but I really wanna show you a much more detailed of this figure so that if any one of you wanna collect this one, you have an idea how beautiful this one and how secure it is. So this is it. Very nice. Oops. It slides. So let me remove now this. And let me show you the action figure. Look, guys, how beautiful Molly is. I like the astronaut suit. It's like a velvety finish. It's so soft material. When someone showed this one uh, in the Instagram or in the TikTok, I didn't appreciate the figure because it looks like cheap. The outfit looks like cheap, but when I see this one in an actual figure, I really like the quality material of the suit. It's very nice, looks premium, even at the back part. Look, guys, the stitches are very good. The design are very good. The finishing are very nice. Very cool. I like this one. I like the golden button as a design. I like the embroidered maybe this is Moon or Saturn, I'm not sure, but this one is a planet. I like it. And there is the string or the I'm not sure what you call this one. The strap of the bag is a leather finish. Look, and the stitches is a very nice one. It's very nice and quality finish. I like it. And even the telephone string like this looks very premium. I believe this is worth to collect and worth to buy. And even the price is worth enough for this figure. Let me remove this one because I believe this one is removable. Okay. You can strip this one like this. Let me. Oops, yeah. Let me remove this one so that we can see how beautiful the face and the head of Molly here. Yeah, I like this one. The eyes is a chipped eye finish and you can move the eyes. It's movable. The eyes is movable like this. Very nice. Look guys, you can move the eyes like that. Very cool. This is the trademark eyes of Molly, the emerald eyes, the blush, the mole on the lower lid of the eyes of Molly. This is the left eye, I believe. And she is blonde here. There's a gradient color of yellow. And again, the suit has this like a collar, the collar neck, or the I'm not sure if this collar neck, but the in the collar of the suit is leather as well. Nice. This is a nice figure. I guess this you can remove this one, or you can just remove this. Okay, there's a zipper on the astronaut suit of Molly here. You can remove like this. Yeah, but I don't like uh to show the nudity of of Molly. I just want to show you the hands of Molly here. Let me show you. Yep. Okay. Again, there's an excess hands of Molly which you can exchange or change. So let me put inside the hands of Molly again, and I don't like her. I don't like you to see her naked. And you can move the hands like that because this one is an action figure. I will carefully bring it back, the suit. Yeah, and she can stand, I guess. She can stand and move this hand like this. Yeah, yep. Oh, the head is so heavy. Yay! She can stand, and there's like, oops, a pom. There's a pom pom moon. This one, let me show you. This one is a very soft pom poms figure, and there's some stitches of the moon crate. This is so nice, but it looks like cheese. And let me return the headgear of Molly. Very nice. I like these. Oh, there's a design or embroidered stitches of the helmet, which is Hello Moon. I like the, maybe this one is a gold yellow stitches, and there's some stars on the head. I like the blue bubble, bubble ear. And I guess Molly can sit like this. Look, she can sit like this. Ha ha ha! She is so cute, and she is holding this moon like this. Yeah, very nice one. What can you say about this one, guys? Let me check the box again. How Molly looks like. Oops. Yeah, this one. So, what are your thoughts about the new release of 1/8 action figure of Molly, which is the Hello Moon Molly? You can comment down below. So this is the lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog, and it's all about Molly, and I'm happy to share with you the newest release of Molly, which is the Hello Moon Molly. And I'm not going to pick my favorites because I love them all because they are all cute and adorable and beautiful. But if you have your own favorites, you can comment down below. And if you're still not my subscriber, please do subscribe and help me reach the 1,000 subscribers so that I'm able to continue this vlog of unboxing and share with you all my collections. And don't forget to like and share this video and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. And I hope you had fun watching, and thank you so much, and bye!